There are a few ways you can put a copyright on your images. You can do it in camera, you can do it on a preset import in Lightroom, and you can do it to your images that are already in Lightroom. In camera, you need to find the copyright menu option. In the A7 III, it's tab 5, page 5 of 7. Click on Copyright Info, and then you have a few options. First of all, you need to turn Copyright Info on. Then in Set Photographer and Set Copyright, you put your name in both of these. Then your name will be in the metadata as soon as you take a photograph. The one downside in just doing it in camera is that it doesn't fill in all of your details. But you can do this in Lightroom, and you can set a preset so it does it automatically. So I'll keep this function on in camera, and then I'll add some more data in Lightroom. When you get to the import screen in Lightroom, on the right-hand side you have an option to apply during import. Click on the triangle to get the drop-down menu, and then click on Metadata, and then New. Then you will have this page pop up. All you do is fill it in. You don't have to fill in everything, but this is what I do. I'll fill in my name, the copyright details, and then my address, telephone number and email. As much information relating this image to me as possible. Once you've done that, I'll save mine as copyright info, but you can name it what you want, and then click OK. Now, whenever you import images into Lightroom, all you need to do is select this preset in Apply During Import, and it'll put all of your copyright details into the metadata. You never know when you might need this, and it might come in handy. For more videos, subscribe and make sure you click on the notification bell. Also, head over to my website at boxheadmike.com, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and sign up for my weekly email. Here you'll get information on all of my latest videos, a previous video, and any photo news I think is relevant. I'll see you next time.